What's up, my people? Welcome back to Flint BCTV, man. I'm always reporting for Vancouver. Rain and rain and more rain and more rain. This is our winter. A lot of rain, a lot of it. Real people, trust me. If you don't like rain, you don't want to be here right now. You know, you don't want to be here right this minute. You know, we're getting a lot of rain. So much rain. It's been raining for what? 4 days straight. And that's nothing, really. That's really nothing compared to the rain we have to come. Right? And then by spring, there's more rain. You know, so yeah. A lot of rain, my people. I say, what can I say? It's good because you know what? I don't like snow one bit. I can be the truth. I can tell the God truth. I don't miss the snow. I don't miss the snow. Okay? For one reason. I'm always used to the rain. I'm a Jamaican, so it doesn't snow in my country. It rains though. And when it rains in Jamaica, the raindrops big enough to bend your car up. When the raindrops drop on your car, you can hear it. Make that noise like it's a big rock. But that's the rain. Right? I love the rain. You know, okay, you're not loving the rain. You know, you have to love the rain, man. The rain is nice. You know, you dress up right and you're comfortable, you're warm. Trust me, you're good. If it was snow, right now it would be freezing cold. Right now, it's not even really, it's not even say medium cold. It's more warm. Really, it's really nice and warm right now. You know, put on a little sweater, you're good. It's nice and warm, man. The weather is right up there. That's why we are in Vancouver. Most of us, a lot of people I know, come from back east, and they found out about Vancouver through other people, through the media, that Vancouver is the least place to get snow. Although BC, we get lots of snow in BC, lots of snow. Where we get snow non-stop. Right, so but that don't mean Vancouver forget it. When it's snowing around BC, you know, in Vancouver it's not snowing, it's snowing. That's the deal. That's the way it goes. Imagine, look at this light. This light make no sense. The train crosses all the way down there. As you can see, where the train light flashing. But I don't know why the whole of the stoplight, all of these just stop. And the train is not coming nowhere here. It's not like it's crossing the road. Where we at? We're going on the highway, so we're turning left. But these people end up gone back through again. Oh my God. We're never gonna get through this light because it's train. This is the stupidest thing I ever seen. This is the stupidest tip I've ever seen. The train is over there. It's not here. And then he go stop in the middle of the road. Oh man, I can't believe this. I cannot believe it. Really and truly. This is impossible. I hate this stop. Alright people, jumping on the highway and we're going to Abbotsford, BC. I'm hoping the rain stop in Abbotsford because I have some foundation to raise, to have some concrete to pour, you know, to fix back this driveway. And I pour some of it already, right? But I gotta put some more to level it up. Peeps, highway. This is what I'm talking about. Rain, non-stop rain. Alright, let me get out to this lane because these guys in the fast lane and they're not going fast. By the time you reach Abbotsford, the rain stopped. Really. Weather in Vancouver. We're gonna get a lot of rain. It's going about 4 or 5 days now. I think today would be the 5th day. Off and on, it's been raining approximately 2 weeks straight. Off and on. That means it will stop for about an hour and then, you know, an hour later it start again. Abbotsford, then I gotta go to Rona. I want to pick up a bag of cement or 2 bags. Then I gotta go over this driveway and hopefully the rain can ease up so I can set it and then, you know, cover it up if it takes its time and dry. Raining. These are nice feelings though. It's not cold. Right? Edmonton, Calgary, really cold right now. I know that. Oh, anywhere back east is cold right now. Montreal. Oh man, don't even speak about Montreal, Quebec, Montreal, Halifax. Halifax would be cold because they're right in front of the water. You know, when it right now, it will be really cold in Halifax. People, I have my bucket of water. Gotta drink water. Electrolyte, I call it. Yeah, I always walk with a bottle of water. Always walk with water. You can enjoy it while driving, enjoying the rain. Why you want to come in this lane anyways? And you did. You're the slowest bus. You have a big truck like that, you know you can't go that fast, so what are you doing in the fast lane? Yeah, my peeps. Beautiful rainy day, Saturday, November the 2nd. gonna get, we get all weather, really. We get the whole, June winter. We can say Vancouver is one of the places that get all weather in one. Okay? We get the rain, we get snow, and we get sun. We get lots of sun in the winter. You know, really, especially when it rains. Where you guys going? War or what? You don't see these things driving around in BC. Oh. Two huge army tankers going on its way to Abbotsford. I think the training camp is out there, that's why. Okay. If you're a single person driving and you don't have a passenger, you cannot drive in this lane. But I always take chance, really. It may come out good, it may not come out good. But I realize in life you gotta take chance. That's the only way you're gonna get ahead. Vancouver is the most expensive place in all of Canada. Not Montreal, not Quebec, not Halifax, not Toronto. As much as you think Toronto is more expensive. Hey guys, you guys better check on the book real good. Okay? Vancouver have a lot to be expensive about. Okay? Number one, when you come to a fishery, Vancouver hold the title, man. You know, freshwater salmon. Vancouver have that a lot. Some of the best salmon come from this place. Number two, Vancouver is surrounded by fresh water. There's no salt water. You're driving 50 in our 90 zone. Why you? Why? Just because you want to be a dick? You're going 50, but you're not 90, so on 100 lane. Guys, step over in the middle lane. A matter of fact, step over to the first lane, way over there. Don't slow down everybody else because you're afraid of a little bit of water. You're lucky. Most of these people in Vancouver never even drive on ice. The last time we get a snowfall, early snowfall, oh man, downtown Vancouver gridlock. Everybody slide off on the road because nobody was wearing winter tires. Nobody. They're wearing all season. All season is not winter tire, okay? All season is rain tire. That means it's going to be rain. It means a little bit cold, but nothing to worry about. right there. See? That line, that white thing, I've been further. We are now in Abbotsford. crazy. Man, we are here. To the right, you can go all the way to the US border if you want. I'm not going there. Oh, I'm supposed to go right though. I forgot. I have to go right because I gotta go to Rona. Yeah, I forgot. I will pick up some cement. I gotta pick up some cement. That's why I gotta go. I gotta go this way. Yeah, I gotta make a U-turn at the light, man. But there's no sign said I can't, so that's why I do it. Otherwise I wouldn't do it. This is the road to the US border in 3 kilometers. Trust me. If you come down this way, you don't know where you're going, turn back. Because once you're in that line, the border, there's no way to get out. You can't. They make it that way so you can't get out. Alright people, this is where I need to go to get to Rona. Gotta go to Rona. We got to go to Rona. Rona. I'm gonna drive up by top. Alright my people. This is the mall. You know, bunch of mall. This is a mall, really. This is a mall. Bunch of stores. You have Dollarama. You have Tim Hortons. You have Casco, Home Service, or Home Sense it, whatever. And Rona. Alright my peeps, and we are right at where we want to be. Rona. Alright people, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, subscribe to Flint BCTV my peeps. As you can see, the rain kind of ease up in Abbotsford, but not for long. Because it said, the weather said by 2 o'clock we will get major showers, right? So that's what I mean. For the past over 2 weeks, off and on, the rain will stop because it's been raining all night last night, the whole day yesterday. And this morning now it cooled down for a minute, then it start back. So now it's gonna come back. It ease up for now. So, but it will come back. So let me just go inside here and get what I want. You know? Alright my people, please like, share, subscribe to Flint BCTV. Until the next one peeps, one love.